Yes, magandang umaga guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan. Tomorrow is Judgment Day for Philippines and PDP laban straight tayo, Duterte. So today we'll be voting. Andito tayo ngayon sa Abu Dhabi and we will be voting as OFW. So ayan. So we will be voting as OFW here in United Arab Emirates. Siyempre, PDP laban straight. PDP laban straight. Click to vote. PDP laban. Start voting. We will be voting for Duterte. 10. Number 10. Guys, number 10. Number 22. De La Rosa. Bato. Number 1, number 10 si Jimmy Bondoc De La Rosa. 22, 28 Bongo. 30 Hinlo. 31 Honasan. PDP laban. 34 Attorney Lambino. Siyempre 38 Marcoleta Dorodante. 38 42 Dr. Mata. PDP laban straight. 42 53 Pastor Kiboloy. 56 Attorney Vic Rodriguez. 58 Philip Salvador. PDP laban straight. Siyempre number 66 Camille Villar. Yes, PDP laban straight. PDP laban. We are voting PDP laban straight, guys, para sa ating mga anak kinabukasan. Siyempre ang party list natin 139 Gabay party list 139. Gabay party list ni Attorney Harry Roque. 139 Gabay. PDP laban straight. Yan guys, we have voted. So, okay. Next. These are our 12 senators. 10, 22, Jimmy Bondoc, De La Rosa, Bongo, Hinlo, Honasan, Lambino, Marcoleta, Mata, Kiboloy, Rodriguez, Salvador, and Villar. Party list is Gabay. Cast your vote. Yes. Yes, I want to cast my vote by digital. PDP laban straight. PDP laban. Yes. So this is the casting of my vote. I'll just screenshot it. Screenshot. Yup. Then if we can print, verify your ballot. So we will be scanning this one. Print. If we'll check print. And finish. So we have just voted PDP laban straight. PDP laban. Yan guys, nakaboto na po tayo. PDP laban straight. So we will be opening again our account. And guys, no, grabe ang ginawa nila kay Tatay Digong. So it's a protest vote. So I just have voted for PDP laban. Yes, PDP. Kaya grabe, no? So you should be voting PDP laban lang. Yung Duterte. Sinama ko na si Honasan at si Camille Villar. Siyempre, never tayo sa mga Marcoses. So, yan guys. Maraming salamat. And para sa kinabukasan ng inyong mga anak bilang OFW, so we want the best to our country. And as OFW, matindi yung tulong na ginawa ni Tatay Digong dati. Kaya we will be supporting Tatay Digong all the way. So salamat and vote straight Duterte. PDP laban tomorrow guys. Tomorrow is May 12. So kailangan Duterte tayo. Duterte. So God bless and Lord, kayo na pong bahala. In Jesus name, wala pong dayaan. At Lord, in Jesus name, the goodness of God will prevail. I just voted PDP laban guys. God bless. Jesus is Lord over Duterte. Jesus is Lord over the election tomorrow. Jesus is Lord over the Philippines and the Filipino people. God bless you, Tatay Digong sa Hague. We speak good health, long life, and laban lang, Tatay Digong. Nandito po kami para sa inyo. God bless. God bless the Philippines.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatay Digong. We love you, Tatay. Happy 80th birthday. Don't worry, kaming lahat ng mga OFW, kasampu ng aming pamilya ay sumusuporta po sa inyo. God bless you, stay healthy, at ilalabas po namin kayo dyan. God bless, and we love you.
PDP Laban Street, PDP
Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo,
Laban
mga
Street,
kababayan.
PDP
Yan,
Laban.
sakto na yan ang kailangan natin ngayong mga panahon na to.
Hinlo, Mata, Matuleta, Lambino, Rodriguez, Salvador, Kibuloy sa Senado. Bondok, Pato, Bongo, Hinlo, Mata, Matuleta, Lambino, Rodriguez, Salvador,
Sila ho.
Kibuloy sa Senado. Duterte Street, PDP Laban Street, PDP Laban Street, PDP Laban Street, PDP Laban. PDP Laban Street, PDP Laban Street, PDP Laban Street, PDP Laban.